car is an L82 with 1,400 original miles. It's got all brand new brakes, brand new tires, red car, black interior, steering, brakes, air, power windows, AM, FM cassette, tilt steering column. Very, very nice car. Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are showing you a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. Now, this car is an L82 with 1,400 original miles. Yes, 1,400 original miles on the car, original paint. Car came out of a private collection. We brought the car into our shop, fully went through the car. It's got all brand new brakes, red car, black interior. We took the fuel tank out, cleaned the fuel tank, plugs, wires, cap, rotor. The only other thing we did mechanical to the car was the radiator had a couple spots where it was leaking. We put a brand new radiator in the car. Still has the plastic on the steering wheel. Brand new tires. Still got the plastic on the wheel. Still got the cardboard on the visor. T-top car. Like I say, L82. Steering, brakes, air, power windows, AM, FM cassette, tilt steering column. Very, very nice car. Hard to find car, say 1,400 mile car, next to unheard of with those miles. We brought the car, we just got done detailing it, cleaning it all up, buff, wax, polish. I'm gonna ask $44,900 for this car. The only thing I haven't figured out on the car yet is the tack. The tack, I'm probably just gonna order a new tack and put in the car because wipers work, horn works. Radio works, blower motor works, rear window defrost works. See, I'm probably just gonna order a new tack and put in it. Or I could send this one away and have it fixed. If the car sells prior to that and the owner wants to, you want the original one, I'll send that right with the car. So. $44,900, 80 Corvette, L82, 1,400 miles. Paint is just gorgeous on it. All original paint, as far as we can tell. And it buffed up, polished up, very, very nice. Like new. Power locks work too. Real highly optioned car. Smog pump still on it. Pretty sweet car, a real time capsule. Excuse me. 1980 Corvette L82, bright red, black interior, 1,400 miles. Give us a call, Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call on this gorgeous 80 Corvette. Really appreciate you all watching my videos. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching.